Hello, I've got a tank bag, a 5 to 9 litre bag that I brought from S&W. Comes in its own little case, so let's just remove that. It's quite small. Little comparison, there's a battery drill, so you can see it's tiny, but this is what I wanted. Something small just to carry some spare batteries and a wallet or something. So that's the invoice. I bought an Evo micro tank bag, 2.5 litre, £66 English money, and also the Evo tank ring, which was £29.40, bolts onto the tank. So we'll do a video of that as well. It's not straightforward, this. I've already opened and had a look. It comes with a drill, which is never a good sign. The fixing bracket for underneath, waterproof cover, template for drilling. We have to drill the bottom of this case. So inside there's a little Velcro cover that covers the plate once it's bolted. You probably can't see that very well. So I've removed that, and I've got a bit of timber that I'm just going to rest it on because I don't want any accidents going through the worktop. And this template has got all the markings on for drilling. These 4 outer holes are for the fixing. Security tag, hold on, I don't think it is security tag. Oh yeah, security tag for the anti-theft device is there, and then there's another hole there if you want the power. This isn't a powered unit, so we won't need that one. And then there's a small 5.5 hole there, which I haven't got that anti-theft device, but I may drill that anyway, just in case I decide to purchase it later. So, no further ado, stick the shoe in. And then this device fits underneath. This is where the tank ring will clip into this, hopefully. So line that up with the holes we drilled. And see if we can pick up the fixings. So comes with a little bag of screws and an Allen key to screw them in. So there's the 4 holes, and then we've just got to fix these through. So, fairly straightforward. It's fairly tight to that plastic ring there, but as far as I can see, it's all okay. Right, so this was the Velcro cover I was on about. Once you've finished, you just put that over the top and that's it. So 2 screws in with the plate turned the other way up so you get the countersunk up, and then you will have the countersunk on the ends of that horseshoe there. Now this on the tank fits like this, so we've got 4 screws to take out of a 5 tank system, so hopefully that will be straightforward. I will be back in a minute once I've removed the screws. So there's the 4 screws removed, and now to put the horseshoe over the top and screw that in place. It's as easy as that. So these 2 here were the medium length bolts, and then the countersunk ones, they were the long ones. To pick up on that, so you get 3 of this type of these bolts, and I use the medium set, and you get 2 of this, a short set and a longer set, and it was the longer ones of these that I had to use on there. So hopefully now it's just a matter of clipping the tank bag on, and it's not unsightly, is it, when you're not using it? Let's clip it on and see. There we go. It's in there, really sturdy, sits off the tank and on that ring, and it's definitely not touching the paintwork, which is perfect. Apart from these tags maybe floating around. So basically, and there's the tag to release it, and you have to pull that tag to put it on as well. I was faffing around with it. And you pull that tag open to lock it in position and to release it. And this here is just a little expansion to give you just a little bit more. Yeah, not a great deal, but a tad more. So there we go. And that zips right up. Oh, right, okay. I was saying about that tag, rubbing on a tag, but there's a little, I'm going to have to put the phone down and put it in, but I don't know if you can see that, there's a little pocket there, which I think the tag must be designed to slot into. Let's have a look. Yeah, there it is. That holds it off the tank so it doesn't rub. Excellent. That's a really good bit of thinking on their part. And then obviously the front, and there you go. And for my needs, what I wanted it for was a wallet and a few batteries. It's plenty big enough for that, for out for a day. You probably get a bottle of water, half a litre of water in there as well. Really pleased with it, and that hasn't taken too long at all to fit. So all done. Don't be put off by having to drill it. It's really simple, and there's the details with the model numbers, mainly for the tank ring, because you have to select the right tank ring for your bike, and and that obviously there, that part number there is what you need for any of their tank bags. I've gone for the little Evo Micro, which is this part number, but if that's not what you want something larger, then obviously you need to go on the website and look at what models they do. I hope this has been helpful. Be safe. Cheers.